Today we're making some absolutely adorable letter and number tracing boards using our Glowforge Pro and some frosted acrylic. This project is super simple, so if you're a beginner, it's perfect and you're gonna nail it with ease. If you're a Glowforge Pro, you don't even need to watch this video, you'll just want to visit our shop to grab the digital cut file for a couple bucks. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is open up a new project in the Glowforge dashboard, and then we're going to upload our artwork. And it's going to be, I've got a double board for you and also a single board. So I'm just going to upload the single board to make right now. So 2 boards will fit on 1 piece of acrylic. I'm using the Cerulean Tides 3/16 of an inch acrylic that is frosted clear, so it's frosted on one side. It's gorgeous. So I did it, we're gonna do this backwards, so we're gonna engrave on the frosted side, so then the clear side shows through and it just absolutely looks beautiful. So I've figured out our settings here, and the boards are, let me add it here. So we're going to score the lettering, which cuts down time significantly. So the settings I figured out here that are perfect, our speed is 300, our power is 50, and it's a focus height of a 1/17 of an inch, I guess. That's how you say that. So for the board, we're gonna cut this, and our settings are at 200 full power. I have a Glowforge Pro, and we're gonna do 2 passes. Then this is also a score. And then we're going to actually engrave the name. So we get to add our name here. And I'm gonna do, my daughter's has me changed. And then the font I used was the Didact. Didact Gothic. And then we're gonna do this crazy little hole in it opposite here. Gonna shrink it down. And that sizing looks good. Okay, so it's gray. We need to enter our settings. We're going to engrave. My engrave settings were 1000 speed, full power, 270 lines per inch. And then our material, we're going to use uncertified material, and it was 0.17. I used my digital calipers to find this. It was 0.16, but I added a point, and that seemed to be perfect. So now that we're ready to go, I'm going to turn on my Glowforge and get cutting. Okay, 25 minutes, 42 seconds. Now we're ready to push that flashing button. Once the fan turns off, then it's safe to remove your acrylic boards from the Glowforge. Then all that's left is to remove the acrylic masking and you're done. This acrylic board gives you an easy and super cute way to help your kiddos get their daily lettering practice in. And the best part is, you just wipe it off and get to start all over.